Okay, Bubbles Neverhat produce various palm oil based products. One of their most popular product is silk soap bar. CEO of the branch in Penang, Mr. Said, is however concerned about the significant difference between actual and budgeted profit. He had appointed you as management accountant to provide analysis of the difference. Okay, then dia bagi you actual profit statement. Sales 150,000 units, 900,000 ringgit. Okay, so expenses pula you ada material SP and PK. SP 54,355 liters, PK 57,200 liters. Okay, kemudian ditambah dua-dua tu you akan dapat AQ. 54,355 plus 57,200 you will get AQ. Then you ada direct labor, skill 5965, 9695 hours, unskill 17,280 hours. Tambah dua-dua akan dapat AH, actual hours. Okay, then you ada variable overhead, fixed overhead. So ini adalah actual data. So dia bagi you sales volume 150,000, silence about production. So kita assume production volume dengan quantity sold sama. Kalau dia bagi beza, kita tengok yang beza. Now kita assume samalah sebab tak ada info lain. Additional info number 1. Standard cost shows that each bar of silk soap requires 0.4 liters of material SP, 0.6 liters of material PK, okay, at RM3.40 per liter and RM2.80 per liter. So material SP, usage for material SP 0.4 liter, usage for material PK 0.6. So 0.4 plus 0.6 equivalent to 1. Jadi total SM adalah 1. Okay, and then price pula RM3.40 for PK, RM2.80 for SP. Okay, number 2, each bar of silk soap requires 6 minutes of skilled labor and 18 minutes of unskilled labor. Rate per hour RM3.50, RM3 respectively. RM3.50 and RM3 respectively. That means skilled labor RM3.50, unskilled labor RM3 per hour. Meanwhile, variable overhead absorbed at RM3 per direct labor hour. So if you scan the questions, okay, tak ada pun dia request untuk overhead. Jadi kita ignore lah information untuk overhead. Number 3, recently there is an increase in diesel and petrol price. Okay, ini changes which results in an increase in material price of material SP and PK by 40 cents per liter. Jadi just now under information number 1, material PK RM3.40, you plus another 40 cents. Okay, revised rate. Okay, revised SP. And then for material PK RM2.80, you plus 40 cents. So you will get RM3.20. Revised price for material PK. Okay, number 4, the contents of material SP and PK have also been changed, and it would now require more usage of SP by 0.02 liters and PK by 0.04 liters, okay, per bar as compared to original standard. So usage also increased by 0.02 for PK, for SP 0.04 for PK. So information number 1 just now, okay, original standard for material SP 0.4, now you plus another 0.02. Okay, you will get revised usage. And then original usage of material PK 0.6, you plus 0.04, you will get usage for material material SP. Berjalan-jalan pula dia kan. Tiba-tiba je. Okay, you akan dapat usage untuk PK. Okay, revise dia. Okay, requirement A, calculate the following variance. Material price variance for material SP and PK. Cuba kira sekarang. Kemudian material mix variance untuk material SP dan PK. 3 minit. Kira yang ini dulu. Kita buat part by part So first you kena buat table tu dulu lah. Table yang ada AM dengan SM. Buat table tu dulu. Kemudian baru masukkan kita punya workings. Okay, nak buat material price tak perlu table lah, tapi you nak jawab material mix variance, you perlukan table tu. Mix and yield nanti nak kena guna table. Okay, cuba jawab, cuba kira dulu. Dah Okay, masukkan material SP RM3.40, material PK, material untuk dia punya apa nama, actual. Okay, actual kita tengok dalam actual profit statement tu lah. Actual profit statement, SP dia total cost 217,420. Okay, yang ini untuk 54,355 liters. That's why kita kena bahagi. Kita bahagi biasa je ni, simple maths. So dapat RM4. Okay, dapat RM4. So kita compare. You plan to pay RM3.40 but then you pay RM4, you pay more. So adverse result. Untuk PK pula, okay, RM2.80. Additional info number 1, RM2.80. Kemudian you compare dengan actual. So actual nak ambil mana? Actual tengok dalam actual profit statement. Bahagilah 200,200 ringgit divide by 57,200 liters. So you akan dapat RM3.50. Again you dapat increase in price, so bad result adverse. Okay, untuk mix variance, kalau you dah buat table tu senang lah. AQAM, AQSM. Okay, AQ dia 111,555, mana dapat you tambah actual untuk SP dan PK tadi tu, you tambah, you akan dapat AQ. Masukkan dalam formula. And then SM pula, SM ni mana dapat? SM dia tengok information number 1. 0.4 liter untuk material SP, 0.6 untuk material PK. So 0.4 tambah 0.6 dapat 1. Okay, itu yang jadi ni, 0.4 divided by 1. So you solve equation, you akan dapat adverse result. PK pun samalah, AQ, AM untuk PK, actual untuk PK 57,200 divided by AQ. Kemudian AQ again multiply by SM. SM untuk PK 0.6 divided by 1. And then dia punya price dia lah. Okay, so bila solve dapat good result. Maksudnya you plan your standard. Okay, your standard banyak, actual dia sikit. So guna material sikit dapat good result. Okay, untuk material yield variance, yield refer to production. Yield adalah AY, how to determine material yield, AY compare with SY, darab dengan SC. So AY adalah actual production 150,000. Okay, kat sini dia bagi satu je volume So kita assume quantity sold sama dengan quantity produced. Kemudian untuk SY, you ambil AQ divide by SM. Kalau prepare table nampaklah benda ni. Darab dengan SC. So SC ni you kena kira Okay, standard cost. Standard cost for 1 unit product. Jadi untuk SP 0.4 usage, darab dengan RM3.40. PK pula usage dia 0.6, you darab dengan 2.8. Tambah you akan dapat RM3.04. Okay, so bila you solve, good result. Because production actual volume sold higher than budgeted. Okay, and then you determine planning variance. Okay, material price planning variance. So when you determine price variance, make sure in bracket you compare two different price. Okay, so when you determine planning variance means you compare first column with a second column. Okay, first column and second column. So under first column tu apa? First column is your original standard price, RM3.40. So revised RM3.80. How to determine revised price? Remember, you refer additional information number 3 just now. You calculate RM3.40, you plus increase by 4 cents. Okay, bukan 4 cents, 40 cents. Okay, so you dapatlah RM3.80. And then multiply by volume. Okay, volume. So you plan to pay RM3.40 but then you pay more. Bad result because you have to pay more. Okay, and then PK, material PK, you compare again when you determine material price variance, you compare two different price. So for planning variance, you compare original standard with revised standard. Your original standard RM2.80, revised standard RM3.20. Okay, then you multiply by volume, revised volume. Remember your revised volume increased by 0.04 untuk material PK. Then you multiply by actual production sebab dia mesti quantity of actual production, revised quantity of actual production. So you again for this case it shows negative result or adverse result because price increase. Okay, because price increase. Alright, next regarding usage variance. Okay, operational material usage variance. So operational material usage variance for both material. So you determine one by one. So bila usage variance, you compare two different volume, quantity, two different volume. So operating variance, you compare quantity from second column with last column. So ini I tulis terbalik sikit lah, quantity for second column yang ini revise. You buat macam biasa pun boleh. Kalau confused buat macam biasa. This is your revise, this is your actual. Okay, 0.42 changes multiply by actual production and compare with actual volume. Actual volume given in the question as 54,355 liters. And then you multiply by RM3.80. Okay, so you will get good results. For material PK, okay, 0.64 is your revised quantity of actual production. You multiply by 150,000. Then you compare with 57,200. Okay, 57,200 you can take straight away from question. Okay, put in bracket, you multiply by RM3.20. Again, you will get positive results. Labor rate variance, ini traditional variance sahaja. Labor rate variance, macam mana nak kira rate variance, standard rate dengan actual rate. First column, second, last column. First column and third column. You compare, then you will get this result. Masukkan je nilai dia. Untuk efficiency variance pun dia hanya minta apa ni traditional variance, tak ada planning operating pun. So bila efficiency variance dalam bracket, imagine nak compare two different hours. Okay, and then bila traditional variance, you ambil yang first column and third column, original hours dengan actual hours, and then multiply by standard rate. Okay, so your original hours 45,000. Okay, compare, ni you convert into hours. Dia bagi kita dalam bentuk apa ni minutes. Okay, dalam bentuk minutes, so convert into hours. Kenapa? Sebab rate dia rate per hour. So 18/60 of actual production multiply by 150,000 actual production compare with actual hours. So you akan dapat again good results. Okay, maka habislah untuk soalan ini. Sekejap bagi I stop dulu. Nanti recording